Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Pratibha Sonone, faculty from Shri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Rasiklal M. Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, Chinchwad, Pune. Today we are going to discuss about the laxatives, which is one of the topic from pharmacognosy subject for first year D pharmacy students. This is part 2 of this video. In part 1, we have already discussed about the definition of laxatives and different classification of laxatives and the two drugs, aloe and isabgol. Let us have a review on the laxatives. Laxative, it is a word, English word which is obtained from Old French word laxative, which came from Latin word laxatus. The Latin word laxare means to loosen, while the Latin word laxus means to loose or lax. A laxative is a food compound or medication which when consumed either induces bowel movements or loosens the stool. Laxatives are the drugs that promote evacuation of bowels. Laxatives either have mild action than the purgatives. Laxatives expels soft form stools while purgatives result in more fluid evacuation. Let us have a look on the different categories of the laxatives. Depending on the intensities of the drug effects, they are classified into 4 categories. First category is laxative, second purgatives, third drastics, and fourth hydrogogus. Laxatives suggest the elimination of soft form stools, which is also called as a mild purgatives. For example, carboxymethyl cellulose, senna, and liquid paraffin. Second, purgatives. This suggests more fluid evacuation. For example, castor oil, aloe, and rhubarb. Third class is drastics. Drastics acts intentionally by irritating the mucous membrane of the intestine. For example, jalap, colocin, and podophyllum. And last category is hydrogogus, which produces fluid motions. For example, croton oil and colocin. Let us start with the drugs, that is castor oil, senna, and rhubarb. First we will discuss castor oil. Synonym of the castor oil is Oleum racini. Its biological source, it is the fixed oil obtained by the cold expression of the seeds of Ricinus communis, belonging to family Euphorbiaceae. Organoleptic characteristics, color, it is pale yellow or colorless. Odor is nauseating and taste is bland, acrid and nauseating. Chemical constituents of the castor oil. It contains triglycerides of palmitic acid, ricinoleic acid, isoricinoleic acid, linoleic acid, and stearic acid. Let us have a look on identification test for the castor oil. Castor oil mixes with the half its volume of liquid light petroleum ether, and it is partly soluble in its 2 volumes. Second test, add to the oil an equal volume of alcohol, a clear liquid is obtained, but on cooling at 0 degrees Celsius and storage for 3 hours, the liquid remains clear. Uses of castor oil. It is an irritant, purgative due to the presence of ricinoleic acid. It is also used as a lubricant. It is used to manufacture DCO and DC, which are used in the industries. It is used in soap industry. It is used in the preparation of paints, varnishes, printing inks, hydraulic oils and greases. It is also used to prepare lipsticks, contraceptive creams, jellies, hair oils and perfumes. Let us discuss second drug, which is called as senna. Its synonym is Tinnevelly senna, and Indian senna. Biological source. It consists of dried leaflets or pods of Cassia angustifolia, well, and Cassia acutifolia, belonging to family Leguminosae. Organoleptic characteristics of this leaf. The leaves are yellowish green in color. Odor is slight. Taste is mucilaginous, bitter and characteristics. Size of the leaves is 7 to 8 mm in width and 25 to 60 mm in length. Shape. Leaves are lanceolate, entire and apex is acute with spine at the top. Base of the leaflets are asymmetrical with transverse lines more prominent on the lower surface, while the trichomes are present on both the surfaces. Here you can see the morphological characters in the macroscopical diagram. Chemical constituents. It contains anthraquinone glycosides such as senoside A, senoside B, senoside C, senoside D. It also contains salicylic acid, resins, tannins and small amount of volatile oils. It contains cryophoenic acid and palmidine A, B and C. The main activity of the senna leaves or the senna pods is due to the presence of anthraquinone glycosides. In that, senoside A and B are the major chemical constituents, whereas senoside C and D, they are minor chemical constituents of the senna leaves. Identification test. Identification test for the glycosides is Braun-Taggart test. So here you have to boil the powdered leaves with dilute sulfuric acid, then filter immediately. Separate the filtrate and cool. Mix the filtrate with the double volume of any one of the water insoluble organic solvents like benzene, chloroform or carbon tetrachloride. Shake it well and separate the organic solvent layer. To the organic layer, add equal quantity of dilute ammonia solution. The ammonical layer becomes pink and finally red, indicating the presence of anthraquinone glycosides. Uses of senna leaves. Senna leaves are used as laxatives. It is also used as irritant purgative due to the presence of anthraquinone glycosides. It is also used as cathartics. It helps to clean the systems of worm. Mechanism of action of the senna leaves. Senna contains chemicals called as senosides, which are the glycoside in nature. They irritate the lining of the upper intestine, which provokes muscular activity in the colon, resulting in bowel motion. So this senna, it is having a laxative action which is taken for the constipation. Substitutes and adulterants for the senna leaves. First is dog senna, which is also called as Italian senna. Second is Palthe senna and Arabian senna. Third drug is rhubarb. Its synonym is rheium. Second, rhizome rehi or rhubarb rhizome. Biological source. It consists of rhizomes of Rheium palmatum Linn., Rheium officinale, Rheium immodi and Rheium webianum, belonging to family Polygonaceae. Organoleptic characteristics. The color of rhizome is brown or yellowish in color. Odor is fragrant. Taste is bitter and astringent. Size. The pieces of rhubarb are 2 to 20 cm in length and 1.5 to 2 cm in diameter. Shape. Rhizomes are subcylindrical, barrel-shaped, conical or plano-convex pieces is present. Here you can see in the diagram the powder of rhizomes. Chemical constituents. It contains number of anthraquinone derivatives and their salts. Another chemical constituents is chrysophenol, aloimodine, rehin and physicon, cinnamic acid, gallic acid, rehin acid and calcium oxalates. Identification test or chemical test for the rhubarb. Rhubarb powder with ammonia gives pink color due to the presence of the glycosides. With 5% of potassium hydroxide solution, it gives red blood red coloration. Third test, under UV radiation, rhenium imodi gives brown color. And in Brauntrager's test for anthraquinone, it gives positive test for the anthraquinone glycosides, which we have already discussed. Uses, it is used as a mild purgative. It contains tannins and associated with astringent effect after purgation. It is also used as stomachic in smaller doses. I hope all of you have understood the definition of laxative, classification of laxative and the drugs which comes under this category. Thank you.